Fact 8th March is celebrated globally as Women's World Day. No doubt, women are to be considered as one of the best creatures on this lands, on this universe. I'm here with a burning question that are women participating equally? No, absolutely not. We have to be know that until women's participations in every walk of life is not to be implemented, we cannot move forward in any walk of life, because no nation can rise to the heights of its glory unless your women are side by side with you. We are victims of evil customs, and it is a crime against humanity that our women are sitting in their home as prisoners. No doubt, women are to be existed 50% of the whole world populations, but they are not enjoying as equal rights as males are enjoying. Problem is that male dominated society is to be existed in South Asia. Male is to be considered all in all. He is to be considered the head of the family. So guys, we have to be acknowledged that men are what by their mothers made them. Here we have to be know that कि वो जो नेपोलियन ने कहा था, गिव मी अ गुड मदर एंड आई शैल गिव यू अ गुड नेशंस. Education of women is compulsory in order to progress well in every walk of life, because it is rightly quoted by Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that it is the prime duty of men and women to get educations. Further, no doubts, every year's laws are to be passed to protect women, but at practical level these laws are least implemented at grassroots levels. तो होना ये चाहिए, everybody, either it is to be male or female, should be equal in the eyes of law. Nobody should above the law, because acting according to law may involve a temporary trouble, but it never cause a loss. Further guys, ये जो क्रूअल कस्टम्स हैं अगेंस्ट वुमेंस की जो बर्निंग है, एसिड अटैक्स है, सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट है, उसके साथ जो डाइवोर्स है, मैरिज विद कुरान्स है, लीस्ट पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ हर इन इकोनॉमिक, सोशल, पॉलिटिकल एंड एजुकेशनल सेक्टर, दीज आर क्रूअल कस्टम्स शुड बी डिस्करेज इन ऑर्डर टू मेक द सोसाइटी मोस्ट प्रॉस्पेरियस. दिस इज़ वेयर वी नीड टू गो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.